We have some breaking news if you hold XRP. This massive buy signal has just appeared for XRP, and we are seeing whales removing XRP from exchanges. This is a very big thing. We're going to talk about this in this video. We also have CPI that just came out. There is so much to address this morning. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you love XRP. But most importantly, you need to stick around. We need to find out exactly what's going on with this buy signal. Look at this. One key insider is supposedly dumping XRP. Should you be buying? So Ripple co-founder Chris Larsen, he recently sold around $120 million worth of XRP. This was discovered on October 20th, so just a couple of days ago. What does this mean? Does this mean that people that are on the inside of XRP, they're expecting it to go lower? Honestly, it's a non-event. People could sell assets within a company to fund certain business ventures within Ripple or the company. So maybe they're selling it to a particular person and then buying it somewhere else. So it's really not a major deal, as some people might be saying. We also have inflation data that just came out today. Usually it's in the beginning of months, but because of the government shutdown, they pushed CPI to today and some other data sets. And we are seeing inflation has risen to 3%, but that's lower than expectations. So the market has saw a bullish reaction initially when this came out. Trump even came out and said the stock market is stronger than ever because of tariffs. Tariffs are helping the US government generate lots of revenue, and Trump has even hinted along the lines that tariffs could potentially end taxes for American citizens. We also have more breaking news. This came out a few hours ago. JP Morgan to allow institutional clients to use Bitcoin and Ethereum as collateral. Guys, this is absolutely massive. We have banks literally every day with some type of major innovation or major step towards crypto adoption. And in the future, this means that you're going to be able to use crypto to do pretty much everything. And crypto is going to be the same as actual US dollars, or maybe even better. This means that you won't have to sell your XRP or cryptos to prove particular incomes to get a mortgage or loans or car loans. You could show your crypto assets that will help you to get loans and certain things. This is going to be very exciting when it happens. Look at this breaking news with Ripple Prime. We're pleased to share that our acquisition of Hidden Road is officially complete, making Ripple the first crypto company to own and operate a global multi-asset prime broker, bringing the promise of digital assets to institutional customers at scale. Do you understand what's going on here? Institutional customers at scale. Big institutions, banks, that's what it means. Banks, countries, they have billions of dollars. They need to be able to move billions of dollars. They need liquidity, and XRP can do that for them. This is a major, major step. And look at XRP. We are literally breaking out. We are finally actually attempting another breakout. Every time we've attempted a breakout though in this region, we have found resistance. We are finding some resistance, but it is a Friday, but we are still pushing up higher. We were just at $2.30 and we just pushed to $2.50. So we have this angled resistance level. We are attempting the breakout. If we can hold above here, ladies and gentlemen, as it breaks resistance and it turns into support, this means we could get a potential pump to $3. So this breakout, the target of this breakout, if it happens, is going to be in this region here, $3. I'm not saying it's going to happen. It will happen. We will get back to $3 in my opinion, but we are starting to see some bullish signs. XRP, if you watched my video last night and yesterday, look at, we are forming higher lows. This looks like we're going to start to make some moves to the upside, and we are preparing for this bullish November that I've been predicting. Bitcoin as well is pushing up. Ethereum is pushing up. The stock market is at all-time highs, new all-time highs today. The NASDAQ at all-time highs. It is holding up extremely well. And this big pump today in the stock market was due to the inflation data that has come out today, CPI. And what CPI has done is it now confirms that the Fed is probably going to be cutting rates 2 more times. And rate cuts are obviously extremely bullish. Make sure you guys join my WAP community. I have 56 5-star reviews. You guys can try my community today for free. You can also try my AlgoSniper trading indicator today for free. It will tell you exactly when to buy and sell. It keeps trading super easy and simple. Look, you guys would have got a buy alert around $2.35. And look, it has pumped up today and you could have taken profits with this take profit symbol. You're also going to want to be doing your trading over on Blofin. This is a platform where you can long and short cryptos up to 150x leverage. But on top of that, you're going to have the cheapest fees when it comes to trading on any exchange in the world. The links for everything I'm talking about are in my video description. But look at this, XRP flashes a bullish signal as exchange balances drop by almost 4%. We are seeing trading volume surge on XRP, and a breakout above $2.43 could signal renewed momentum. And that's what's happening right now. If you guys hold XRP, you can see that. But the key thing is here, ladies and gentlemen, is on-chain data is showing, this is the buy signal, that there is a big drop in exchange reserves on XRP. That means Binance, Coinbase, all these platforms, they have a reserve of XRP of how much they hold. So they can provide buying and selling and trading for their clients. But we are seeing a drop in the balance of XRP on exchanges. When you see a particular drop like this, what it means is that whales are accumulating despite what the price is doing. They are removing it on the exchanges and putting it into cold storage because they believe a big move is taking place. When big whales and institutions are buying something, they buy it and they put it into their cold storage, somewhere safe because they have billions and billions of dollars of this asset. This is extremely bullish. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.